Most people are using brightening lotion the wrong way. They buy one lotion today and another serum tomorrow, mix everything together, then complain that the product didn't work. But real skincare result comes when the lotion and the serum are designed to actually work together. Today, I am reviewing the complete Lumine brightening system, the lotion and the matching serums. If you've watched my previous videos, you will already saw my reviews on the gold, the Lumine Gold, Lumine Afghan, and the carrot range. But today, there is a new addition everyone has been asking me about and I've been selling. The Lumine Vitamin C lotion and the serum. The Lumine Vitamin C lotion and serum, honestly, this one deserves all the attention and the accolade because the vitamin C in this one is one of the most respected ingredients for brightening, glowing, and improving uneven skin tone. So this is an ingredient that most people already know and love. One thing I always tell my customer is this: skincare works better when it is done in a system. Lotion alone will do something, but lotion plus the right serum, that is where you start to see the real result. Hi there, my name is Kami from Kojic Beauty. I run a skincare business and a spa, and I also have a ready-to-wear brand. So these are products I see customers use every single day. Let me start with the baby of this group, which is the Lumine Vitamin C Brightening Exfoliating Vitamin C Lotion. This can be used on the face and body according to the manufacturer. This is paired with a serum. It comes with a serum. So this one is designed for people whose skin looks dull, uneven, or tired. This lotion contains ingredients like vitamin C, which will help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It also contains glycerin, which helps to draw moisture into the skin that keeps the skin hydrated. It contains turmeric extract, which helps to calm down inflammation and improve skin tone. It has carrot extract, which is rich in antioxidants that nourish the skin. It has shea butter, which helps to soften and protect the skin barrier. It has sunflower oil, which supports skin hydration. Like, the ingredients are so beautiful. So one of my customers told me something funny when she bought this lotion and the serum. She said, my skin is not even dark. It's just look tired. That's exactly what vitamin C targets. When your skin is dull, it needs radiance, not just whitening or lightening. Now, the serum, the pure vitamin C serum is concentrated. It helps to promote healthy, radiant complexion while also reducing dark circles and blackheads. This serum is hot. You know that serums penetrate faster because they are more lightweight and more concentrated. So when you apply the serum first and then seal it in with the lotion, you get stronger results. If your problem is dull skin, uneven tone, lack of glow, then this vitamin C lotion and serum is usually where I tell my customer to start from. If you enjoy honest skincare breakdown like this, where I explain what ingredients actually do, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments which Lumine product you have tried before and what results did you get. Now let's check out the Lumine Gold. I have reviewed this before, so I'm just going to go through it quickly. Lumine Gold is a 10 days extra whitening body lotion with the gold serum. This one is more targeted for stronger pigmentation and damaged skin. The key ingredient in this one is Kojic Acid, which helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Ascorbic acid, a form of vitamin C that brightens the skin. Collagen, which supports skin firmness and elasticity. Frankincense, which helps to soothe damaged skin. Allantoin, this helps to calm and repair the skin barrier. The gold serum includes ingredients such as niacinamide and neem extracts. Niacinamide helps to balance uneven skin tone and strengthen the skin barrier. Customers who choose the gold lotion and serum usually want help with things like dark knees, dark elbow, uneven skin tone, sunburn patches. One customer once told me this was the first lotion that made a dark knee area to start looking softer and brighter. The Lumine Afghan set, which is this one, and the serum, This one, this is the lightening and toning face and body milk that can repair with Afka Skin Serum. This lotion and serum focused on tone correction and acne marks. The serum includes ingredients such as retinol, which helps to speed up skin renewal and improve skin texture, salicylic acid, which helps to unclog pores and reduce acne marks, licorice extract, which can help to brighten pigmentation, mulberry extract, which helps to support skin tone improvement. This combination works very well for people dealing with acne scars, uneven complexion, and rough skin texture. That is why it contains retinol, which helps to renew the skin. It helps the skin to renew itself faster. Now, the last one, which is the Lumine Carrot, the carrot face and body lotion with the carrot serum. Now, this one focuses on gradual brightening and skin nourishment. The key ingredients include carrot extract, which is rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants, glutathione, commonly used for improving uneven pigmented skin, vitamin C, which helps to brighten the complexion, moisturizing oils that keeps the skin soft, fully hydrated. Customers who choose this carrot line usually want something that brightens while keeping the skin looking healthy and moisturized. So before I end this video, I need to tell you about the outfit that I wear in my videos. I made ready to wear Easy Looks by FB, and I've been wearing a lot of my collections in my video. If you want something that gives you elegance, that is comfortable, very stylish and easy to wear, then please do visit us. All the link will be in the description. So while your skin is glowing, you can also step out looking confident and well put together. Now, if you want any of these Lumine products, you can contact us. We will guide you on which one suits your skin better. And if this review helps you understand the differences between the 4 Lumine products, the lotion and the serum, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this with someone who is struggling with uneven skin tone. They will thank you for it, because the right skincare routine can completely change how your skin looks. So let me round everything up. Now, the vitamin C, best for glow and dull skin. The gold targets stubborn pigmentation. Afkas helps acne mark uneven texture. Carrot nourishes and brightens gradually. So choosing the right one always depends on your skin need and concern. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have been watching from the beginning till now, thank you. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. All the best.